This is a portable monopolar radio frequency. This type of radio frequency, you see, the frequency is 1 megahertz. It's much lower. The other one, just now we say it's 6.75 megahertz, and right now is 1. So the energy is quite different. And for this type of machine, and you will say, so it's so low energy. Can it has a good result or not? Yeah, it will have good result, but the purpose of the result will be different. Let's see in details. Still, in this type of portable RF machine needs to have a retention pad. You cannot see. It's like this, retention pad. It will sticking on the skin. Normally put it at the back part. And this is for receiving the negative pole of the electricity. The energy also can be in dermis, also can reach the dermis. Because the energy is not so high, cannot have very, very good result. Yeah, cannot reach to dermis to have a very good result. Patient feel just warm, not hot, not pain, just only warm, very comfortable warm. And you can do the treatment per week, every week. The purpose of this machine is, you can see here, for skin tightening and improve levy, promote metabolism and blood circulation, improve skincare product into skin for better absorption. That means, you see, for this type of RF, it is just for helping. It's for help. It's not for real treatment. It's just for helping the skin, like skin tightening. If you do it every week, just like you do massage every week, then it will also help. And for metabolism, yeah, for sure. When you are using this type of electricity to stimulate every week, it will be good. And the main function beauty salon is using this is to help the skincare products to be absorbed better by the skin. So whatever skin products you are using, and it will help the product to have a better result if you use this small RF machine together. So in the end, this machine is just as a helper. So many beauty salons, they really like to have this type of machine, and very comfortable, and also can help to have a better result for the skincare products. The customer also has a result and also comfortable, no pain. So this is kind of popular. It's not like the thermal can do very strong treatment. So it's different.